In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Notion. We'll walk through getting into Notion, creating your first page, starting a database, and trying a ready-made template so you can begin organizing right away. I'll keep things simple and share helpful tips as we go. First, open the Notion website in your browser. If you already have an account, just sign in. If you're new to Notion, take a moment to sign up. It's free to start, and you'll be taken into your workspace as soon as you're in. Don't worry about choosing the perfect setup right now. You can always change things later as you figure out your workflow. Once you're in your workspace, create a new page. Look for the option to add or create a page and click it. Give your page a clear, short name that describes what it will hold. Something like tasks, notes, or projects works well. A good title makes it easier to find and reuse your page as your workspace grows. Now, if you want to start organizing with a structured table, you can add a database. Inside your new page, type / and start entering the word database. You'll see options appear. Choose the one that fits, like a table. This instantly creates a database where each row is an item and each column is a property. To customize it, click Add Property. Pick the property type that matches what you want to track. Text for notes, number for amounts, date for deadlines, checkbox for done undone, or select and multi-select for tags. Rename properties to match your needs and keep them concise so your table stays readable. You can always edit properties later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. If you prefer to start with a ready-made structure, open the Notion Template Marketplace. Search for the kind of template you want, let's say a budget planner. Select a template that looks right for you, click it to preview what's included, and then click Add to bring it into your workspace. Once it's added, feel free to customize it. Rename the page to match your goals, remove sections you don't need, adjust properties, and edit or clear any sample entries so it reflects your real information. Templates are a great way to learn how Notion pages and databases are set up while saving time. That's it. Open Notion, sign in or sign up, create a page, add a database if you need one, or grab a template and make it your own. Take a few minutes to explore, try a couple of changes, and you'll get comfortable quickly.